What up, Nopsters? Welcome back to Digital Noise. We have a beautiful model, Emily. If you've been keeping up with my Instagram, if you're not following me on Instagram at Alan's Pixels and you're watching this now, definitely hop over to my Instagram so you can see my previous work. I've been doing these neighborhood shoots. I've been doing a couple of those shoots lately, and I thought, you know, I'd rekindle our cool connection with photography, you and I, and you modeling, and I'd include her in this type of shoot. It's been a long time coming, I know. So we're gonna start, and what I'm shooting with, if you've seen all my previous stuff, I'm shooting with the A7R4 and the 35mm 1.4, and then also the A7R3 with an 85mm. This is like my bread and butter. I always use this, these two lenses and these two cameras. So, and then you can see the background. We're just in some random neighborhood. Hopefully we don't get stopped by anyone, and they don't like get off my lawn and get off my porch or something. So just enjoy, sit back, relax, and we hope you like the pictures. So stick around. Boom. I love it. I think that's it.
Cool.
I think we got it.
Yeah.
Good job. Nice, short, and simple.
Yes. a short little shoot.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're wrapping up. That wasn't very long at all. I like to keep my shoots around 45 minutes. I think that's a perfect time to shoot. Keeps it short and simple. We all have a good time.
Still interested.
And still interested, you know what I mean? Have time to go, get some grub, do stuff like that. So definitely, if you guys enjoyed this episode, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get more notifications. I'm gonna be doing more of this stuff. Every single like and sub keeps me going, guys. So definitely, I appreciate you guys watching the video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.